Hi YouTube, this is Thor Odin, and I'm going to show my website that I built myself. Hold on one sec, okay. This is the page, my home page. It's me and my son. I would show a few more pages to it, but I digress. I don't really want people to see my addresses. This is some learning stuff I put on for my son. Like, I'll show you. You can go to a PDF. Let's see if I can back button it without. There we go. See? Got some stuff on my family. Me, dog I had when I was a kid. Some of my family members. Got movies on here. Got some home movies from when I was a kid. Okay. Come on, play. I convert VHSs to digital. Let's go back to movie. Like, go watch Avengers. Oops. I'll watch Avengers on here if I want. See? Anyways, let's see if we can't. Here, I'll show you how I got it set up. What you do is you take Windows, you set up IIS. Here, I'm gonna pause it real quick. Okay, I got like my website right here. I blocked out some other websites I run because I contract through some various people to run websites for them. What you do is you set it up in IIS. You go into settings, you configure IIS. Then you gotta make the bindings. You gotta set up certain ports to open it up for your computer, so that people are coming in, it'll automatically configure the port. If you buy a domain off GoDaddy, you configure your IP address directly through GoDaddy, and then GoDaddy will forward your domain directly to your server that you set up. My understanding of it. Anyways, so you set up your bindings, you set up local network, etc. See if we can't get some information here. I'll give you an example. So my personal, I have port 7070 open for this website. It's running off 192.168.1.4, which is my local system, which is my host computer. And when you configure your your router to port forward to, you put this IP address into your router, so that it triggers a port forward, so it goes to 7070, which then goes directly to the computer, which opens this website. You gotta bind that to that. There's I didn't write down what I wanted to say, so it's kind of sporadic. But anyways, this is my personal website that I have for my family, friends to see, etc. I actually host a few other websites too on my system, so hence that's why I don't want people to see what my IP address is. Anyways, this is my system that I have it running on. See this really old computer here? I built a sleeper computer. I'll show you what I mean in a second. Task manager. Let's do performance. See that? Ryzen 1800X. I got overclocked to I de-overclocked it, I'm sorry. I had originally, I did overclock it, never mind, I forgot. I overclocked it to 3.9. I had it on 4, but the voltage is a little high for me, so I de-overclocked it. I'm going to pause the video real quick, and then I can show you the system that's inside of this computer. VHS, so that I can convert videos to digital. I do that in my spare time. Actually in my son's room. Kind of messy in here, but he plays in here quite a bit. Anyways, I'm going to pause. Alright, YouTube, this is what the inside of my my server computer I set up. Has an AMD 580 8GB VRAM. Has a Corsair H60, which is a push-pull configuration. There's actually two fans in here. I don't know if you can see. One right here, which this one's blowing into it, and this one's sucking out, which is then going over here. It's actually what the hell is it called? Kitty, you gotta move. I forgot what it's called. I got it set up where it's I forgot what it's called. Never mind. Anyways, just 16 gigabytes of RAM. This is a DDR4 2400. I overclocked it to 2666. That's the most I could get out of it. I need to probably upgrade the RAM a little bit, but you know, it's a perfectly good computer. It gains fine. And this is what I use to run my websites. Alright, well, thank you, YouTube. I mean, if you guys have any questions, I can do an exact how-to video, how to set up a website. I can go through my system, film it all for you guys if you're interested. Show you how to link IIS to your to the files that you want to run on your computer. How to link videos to it, like movies, pictures, whatever. I can show you guys how to do all that stuff. All right, any questions, just leave a comment below. All right, thank you. I know it's kind of, one thing I wanted to say, I know I'm using a phone. I don't really have the most high-end video equipment because, you know, I just do this in my spare time. I don't really care if I get views or whatnot on my videos. I just post things I like, and if people are interested, I try to help them out. Try to be a good guy. All right, well, thank you.